So we'll be performing this exercise. Okay, create S3 bucket and EC2 instance. Let's install Terraform first. You can install Terraform on any VM. So I'm using a VM, VirtualBox VM, which I used to use every day, which has an IP address 1.11. So I logged into that VM now. Okay, this is my VM, and on that I'll just install Terraform. So just run these commands. So we are just adding a repository which is required to download Terraform. By default, Ubuntu repositories do not have Terraform, so we are using this repository apt release hashicop.com, released by hashicop itself, and we'll just do update and install. There is some error. Let's check that. Did I miss any command? Let's check this. Maybe I missed this one. I think missed that command. I'll again do this. Okay, now the repository is added. Let's update apt and install Terraform. apt get install Terraform. Okay, when the Terraform is installed, let's check where it is installed, which Terraform, and we can see it is installed in usr bin Terraform. And let's check the Terraform version as well, and we are using version 1.8.1. Okay, so that was all about installing Terraform.